administered both Kcpe Ari and Kcpe concurrently very successfully. And I wish to ask that we applaud all the primary school teachers in Kenya, particularly the head teachers, for the great job they did. I also wish to thank particularly the head teachers and education officers from Vihiga and Taita Taveta counties. This is because they followed the registration rules for the two cohorts to the letter. We did not have a single case from the two counties of late registration. Let's appreciate those two counties for the great job that they did. NEC engaged the services of 5,755 examiners during the marking of English composition, Kiswahili Insha, and Kenya Sign Language composition. As a show of gratitude, NEC has issued certificates of appreciation to all the examiners engaged in the marking of these three. And today, CS, we have invited the chief examiners for the three papers, this being the last time that we are doing Kcpe, and we wish to request you kindly if you can award the certificates to these three chief examiners for English composition, Kiswahili Insha, and Kenya Sign Language. I wish to request those three to come in front here. And CS, we are requesting you
thank you very much, and we're done. Yeah, we're done. We're done. Thomas Washwa. Yeah, Thomas, thank you. Thank you, and we're done. Micheni, Naga. Thank you, Micheni. We're done. Thank you, sir. Madam, you've done well. Congratulations. Yeah, thank you very much. Thank you, and we're done. Thank you.
Thank you. Okay. Thank you very much, CS. For us, those are our heroes. They are the ones who make sure that we are able to do what we do as NEC. Before I conclude my remarks, allow me, sir, to inform the parents of persons who had Kcpe Ari candidates that the marking of Kcpe was prioritized to allow the ministry place the 1.4 million candidates in secondary schools early enough. And NEC is finalizing the processing of the Kcpe Ari results, and the reporting of these Kcpe Ari results will be done at three levels. There will be an individual learner report, a school-specific report, and a national report. And we are committing ourselves to make sure that these reports are ready before these learners proceed to junior secondary in January of next year. With those many remarks, CS, I now wish to invite the NEC chairman, Professor Nyabundi, to make his remarks, and thereafter invite the COTSC, who will make her remarks, and invite the PS to take over the program. Thank you very much.
Good morning, everybody. The Cabinet Secretary, Minister of Education, Honorable Ezekiel Machogu, the Principal Secretary, State Department of Basic Education, Dr. Belio Kipsa, the Principal Secretary, Department of Tibet, who is not here today, the Chairman, National Assembly Education Committee, Honorable Julius Meli, Chairman of Senate Standing Committee on Education, Senator Joe Newton, the CEO of Teacher Service Commission, Dr. Nancy Macharia, council members of NEC, the CEO of our sister organizations and partners, the TSC directors present, directors from the Ministry of Education, chief examiners for English, Composition, Kiswahili, Insha, and Kenyan Sign Language who have just been honored, representatives from security agencies, representatives of Kcpe marking centers, staff of the Kenya National Examinations Council who have already been introduced, members of the Fourth Estate here with us today, all invited guests, ladies and gentlemen, good morning one more time. I take this opportunity to welcome all of you for the release of these 2023 Kcpe examination results. The Cabinet Secretary, sir, allow me to start by introducing the NEC Council members who are here with us here today. Please, members of NEC Council, be outstanding. Dr. Belio Kipsang and Dr. Nancy Macharia, you see, you are a very powerful council. Professor Charles Ongondo, Ms. Evelyn Owoko, Rosemary Saina, Martin Okio, Professor Eric Ogur, Colonel retired Leonard Owambo, and of course, last but not least, the CEO, Dr. David Njagere. The Kenya National Examination Council is committed to upholding the credibility of national examinations. And I believe, as you sit here today, seeing what we have seen in the Kcpe this year, it has been a very smooth, very free-sailing examinations. And I think that is a hallmark of credibility and integrity. I wish to thank the government of Kenya for the support it has accorded NEC through the Ministry of Education to enable us to administer these exams so successfully, especially now that we are coming to the end of Kcpe. We thank the government for the 39 years that Kcpe has been in existence. You are told that Kcpe has graduated about 26 million Kenyans. That is a big number, almost half the population. I would also like to express my gratitude to the Cabinet Secretary himself for the leadership that he has provided to ensure that my team delivers on the NEC mandate. Thank you very much, Bwana Waziri. Sir, today we present to you the results of the last cohort of the Kcpe. This marks the end of 844 curriculum the way we know it. I take this opportunity to congratulate the primary school teachers for administering the 2023 Kcpe and Kcpe examinations concurrently and without compromising the process. This was indeed a great feat. In fact, this is the second year we are offering both Kcpe and Kcpe. It appeared difficult, but you have done it very well. Finally, my sincere gratitude goes to the candidates, parents, and all stakeholders in the education sector for the support they accorded the council during the period. The Cabinet Secretary, sir, I take the opportunity to thank you for presiding over this occasion. And at this juncture, allow me to invite Dr. Nancy Macharia, the Secretary of TSC, to pass her regard.
The CS, Honorable Machogu, Honorable Meli, Honorable Nyoto, PS Belio, the Chair NEC, CEO and colleague council members, senior government officers, distinguished ladies and gentlemen, Good morning. Honorable Minister, allow me to start by asking the officers who have accompanied me from the TSC headquarters to stand and wave at everyone here. Please stand and wave to officers. Thank you. I wish to sincerely thank our teachers who for 38 years have consistently and meticulously prepared learners for the Kcpe examination. Over these years, the teachers have produced a robust generation of manpower that has helped to propel our country to the enviable socioeconomic development levels that we currently enjoy. As teachers, we therefore can only look back at the history of Kcpe, whose last examinations we are releasing today, with a lot of pride and satisfaction. Thank you, our teachers, for your unfettered professionalism and commitment. Please let us applaud our teachers. Our gallant teachers have not achieved the commendable levels of teaching and learning without sacrifices. Over this Kcpe journey, we lost a number of teachers who during global and local challenges, including the COVID and sometimes the adverse weather conditions that are better epitomized by the ongoing El Nino phenomenon. I particularly wish to put in our prayers the family of Dr. Salim Muthia, as the CEO NEC has said. Dr. Salim Muthia was a Kcpe examiner who died on Sunday, 19th November 2023 at the Nairobi Women's Hospital. At the time of her unfortunate death, she was a deputy chief examiner and had also served as an examiner of Kcpe English composition for more than 20 years. We condole with the family. In the same breath, we condole with the family of Ahmed Nur Ismail Ahmed. Ahmed was an outstanding ICT champion in Garissa County, whose services will also be dearly missed. I wish at this juncture to also thank all the 473 teachers who served as invigilators, supervisors, and center managers, and 7,250 who worked as examiners during the last Kcpe examinations, whose results the Minister is releasing today. We must congratulate the teachers for ensuring that the examination process was as smooth and as flawless as it could get. By the same token, I wish to say thanks to all those who have participated in the examination process during the Kcpe examination regime of 38 years. And as I talk about the 30 years, I can't forget to mention our chief examiners, especially those who were awarded here today. And we at the Commission are extremely proud of you, and you have done well as you supervised the marking of these exams. Well done. You have served the country extremely, extremely well, and the Commission can only commend you more. The Commission takes cognizance of the efforts of our teachers meant to ensure that learners receive quality teaching. As you are aware, during this year's World Teachers' Day, celebrated on the 5th of October 2023, the Commission recognized and awarded 500 teachers based on exemplary performance, both in academic and curricular activities at different levels. I wish to assure all teachers that the Commission will continue to recognize and award teachers in line with the performance, recognition, reward, and sanction policy framework, and in line with the Presidential Reward Directive. Additionally, we will award, Minister, these 3 long-serving examiners of the Kcpe who have served in the marking of examinations for more than 30 years. Please clap for them. As I finish, I now wish to usher in all our teachers to the new curriculum-based assessments and encourage all of us to acquaint ourselves with the new way of doing things under CBC. As a Commission, we are committed to work with all other stakeholders to ensure that all our teachers are well retooled to effectively deliver CBC. And I won't also forget to congratulate our county directors in absentia, in Vihiga and Taita Taveta, whom I'm informed by NEC did extremely well during the registration certificate. They registered all the students.